Hello.
Hello,
Please don't be
Dixon.
racist.
I will. I'm not the one racist. That's the thing.
uh, but hey,
But if I'm not racist,
obviously jokes.
and
Obviously
Dingsel
jokes.
and Dingsel is not racist, then
Could only be one. Anyways, no, don't make jokes about racism. That racism's bad.
I could agree, but I won't. What?
Why? Stop! 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 Stop!
I'm
Stop!
kidding.
Stop! 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 Okay. Anyways, what I want to make is I want to make an item called like a linker. Okay, no, let's not call it linker. Let's make a wrench, and with the wrench, you're able to link a
Oh
a
my god,
solar
the
panel
selection
to a
is so
solar
good.
cell. But first of all, we
Yo,
need to make.
guys.
Hey, first of all, we need to make the energy cube have thingy energy storage.
Makes sense.
And
Oh, crap.
okay, so
No, you bastard! I'm gonna eat your mother.
Yo, Fortnite.
Wait, no.
PUBG, Fortnite.
okay, so oh no, I don't want this to be in utils. I want this to be in scripts. I'm just gonna call
PUBG
it
Mobile.
in energy. Oh no,
What the? No,
Oh
don't be
yeah,
big.
here, bro.
I can see sounds and hear colors, bro. Someone joined. Who could this be?
why is my thingy broken, by the way?
Because yes. Because things said. Ah, crap. Who joined? Who dares to join?
Yes.
No, I don't want to. I just want to. What the? Why are you like this?
Because
No, shut up.
Yo, Fortnite, PUBG. Okay,
PUBG Mobile.
let's draw. What does draw do? Let's
I
look,
wonder
look, why
what
doesn't
this
it auto
drug is.
import? Why doesn't it auto import? I don't get it.
Well, I don't see your screen, so I can't tell you.
I'm literally
And no, I'm
seeing.
not gonna watch your stream because it's laggy.
What do you mean?
think about
I mean that is laggy.
What is laggy?
Uh, like the delay.
You can mute it.
I know I can mute it. That's not that's not the issue. The issue that is delayed and I'm
Let's
angry.
lower the tune.
Ah, crap. Well, I messed up. We gotta go bald.
Mm.
Damn, I messed up. We gotta go bald. Okay, this is gonna be fine. This is fine. This is fine. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's whatever.
Oh, I
Oh my
need music. I
god.
forgot the music. Oh no, not
Forget
the
the music.
music.
Racist.
Look, the first song that will be here today is your thingy, your below 30 thingy.
What the heck? Oh my god, a shout out from Mr. Dingsa.
Black Virus, say.
What does he say, Dingsa? Please tell me
Hey, you guys
because
see
I
how good I am
definitely
at
can.
playing music?
I mean, we can't hear anything, so no. You're...
Oh! Stop! Stop!
It's cool. I like it. It has a very deep meaning to it.
Very deep.
Did you make it? Oh no, I didn't. Your stream is loading.
Why?
I don't know. Oh, there you go. Okay, I'm muting let main, dude.
So this will get every block from.
See, dude, this is good.
Jesus, you're loud.
Will we do the band system tomorrow? Well, yeah, if I have nothing to do
See, that was
tomorrow,
good,
then
right?
Yes, my beat is in the background. Let's go.
Well,
I'm the best.
I mean, you could just
What the-
watch the video and try to learn code by watching my video.
Meh. What are you, sheep?
I want to use the keyboard because I can't really. It's like.
Just get a piano.
Okay, back to Subnautica music.
No.
If you make more music, then I could play your music longer.
Huh.
Look, if
I
that's
need
not a
better-
motivation
is
for
there
you,
any,
then
like decent free music things?
FL Studio. I mean, the trial version is enough to produce basically everything.
Okay, which one?
But you have to
I
sit
felt-
down
Can I invite my
and
friend?
then constantly just make music without
Is
stopping.
Is he already in here?
I know.
No, he's not.
I mean, yes, please make more people join the server. Because this server is gonna be the third largest game test server.
Oh, that's the thing.
I'm watching your Steam, but I don't know anything yet. For example, what you're doing at ETC. Just, you know, just ask. Just ask
Yeah,
for
that's
things
what I
that you
did.
don't understand, and
Okay, you wanna
And
know
nobody
how to
will
do
explain
game
it to you.
tests? Just
Good
look
than
at
then
Morgan.
Morgan
scripts-
Pablo.
Look at scripts and try understanding them, dude. That's all you do. If you can just look at scripts and try understanding them, you'll eventually figure out how to do it.
Yeah, but don't look at the World Initialize event thingy because that's
Function, I think.
no, that's. Hey bro, how are you doing today? I'm fine. I'm feeling actually quite good. I'm feeling better than,
Oh my
than
God.
yesterday.
It's Jordan. Hi, Jordan. Jordan's the best. What the heck?
Wait, was that the
Jordan?
guy
Yeah,
who you bullied?
What? No, I don't bully anyone.
Where's
Okay, wait, what's a good music thing?
the FL Studio?
FL Studio?
Yeah, but you broke.
So shall we
Yes,
tell
I
again
am.
tomorrow? I guess. If I have time. If I have time, I will
Like,
let
it's
you
a
know.
free thing. Try for free.
He won't have
FL
time.
Studio, the trial version is enough to make music, although, like it's like the pro version. The only thing that you're missing out in the free version is that you can't save your project. You have to export it to MP3. You can't save it. You know?
You can't open projects.
Yeah. So once
So there's no
you're-
point in saving.
Exactly. So if you want to make a project, you have to make it in one session.
In one sitting, you have to make it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it will turn gay. I promise. That's no cap.
There's nothing wrong with it.
It's already gay. How can it turn gay if it's already gay? Like, honestly.
Yeah, guys, there's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah,
What's wrong with
nothing.
being gay, bro?
Oh, I don't know. What do you think?
The fact that they're gay.
I want to cry.
Because the entity type domain property
Dad,
definition.
make no cheats. What is this? Enables achievements on your most recently played world. World change, chat loaded and creative false.
Like, why doesn't this suggest me to automatically import thingy?
Problem.
Yes, I have a problem.
I can tell, bro. I can tell.
Should I reinstall my Visual Studio Code?
You're gonna
What?
reinstall your Visual Studio Code just because of
Why?
that?
Yes, it's really annoying.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Like, if it doesn't auto import stuff for me anymore.
That's kind of annoying.
Gaussian blur. I love Gaussian blur. It's one of my
Install for all
used
users.
effects.
So, what are you doing this time for your underwater add-on? I'm making an energy cell. Wait, I can show you. So you see the cell? Yes, I modeled it myself. So you see, I have solar
Crushed it.
panels, right? And those ones now need to be connected to those weird ass cells, which by the way have no collision, but yeah. Really? Yeah.
It's a barrier block.
Not yet. It's just nothing right now.
Oh, did you remove the barrier?
Yeah.
No.
No, I mean they offset every time. Look, now it's a redstone. Now it's a redstone that is inside the block for some reason. So yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there is. What
Like,
the
and I
heck?
can't remove it.
Oh yeah, they moved.
Yeah, exactly. They moved one forward.
Yeah.
Hey, adding. Hey, are you adding new mobs too?
Yes,
At
of
some
course.
point. I mean, if you're being that well strict, then those are theoretically mobs too. You know, those solar
Oh
panel
my god.
thingy.
Those are entities.
Yeah.
He's talking about mobs. Mobs are supposed to try to kill you.
I mean, yeah, there will be
Not
mobs.
necessarily.
I have a
Pick them
question.
wrong,
Can you
they're
open the
wrong.
solar panel and go to stats and then close it?
Bro, you have an overclocked solar panel. 100.4 out of 100.
I mean,
Oh, it's a close button. I thought that was a back button.
no.
Ah.
I can make a back button. It's kind of annoying though. Hey, I have an idea.
Yeah,
Look,
fair.
Go to look at the solar panel on the left. Why is it
Yeah,
overclocked?
I need to fix that. It's fine though. It's fine though. Maybe add bosses if you want to. Who said that I was not gonna add bosses? Hmm? I mean,
What am
as
I
my
making
friend-
music for?
I mean, I guess. I mean, wait. I will show you the first music sample that we got from someone in this Discord.
Let's go.
So this is the song that we already have for how is it? For this project. So yeah,
My beats are the best.
let's refill our sea glide. Yeah,
Secret.
sea glide.
Oh,
I
that
kind of
works.
want to remake this UI. Because right now it only accepts one slot, right? But I want to make upgraded versions of the charger that can hold that can charge multiple batteries and shit.
Like 3?
Yeah.
And then 5?
Yeah. So I need to.
Oh. Oh, someone joined, I think. Who joined?
Nice music.
Matrix
style.
Code joined.
Someone, your music. Someone said your music is good.
Hello,
My music is
Matrix.
good, let's go. I can actually link it.
Yeah, you can.
I
do it-
linked it.
Yeah, make it in
Matrix.
showcase.
Triple.
Oh, I'm gonna go on my main. Or no, you already know. Okay, I'm saying this.
Triple.
Yeah.
Michael Neff is live.
Huh?
Michael Neff is live, but I need to wait for USSR to get on so he can fix the auto crasher. So I can target it to his IP.
Who's that, bro?
You don't know who USSR is?
No, Michael Reyes.
USSR,
Michael
isn't
Neff,
that a
it's this
isn't
one
that a
streamer we
pedophile? Like USSR.
What happened?
Isn't this USSR guy a pedophile?
Oh. Well, okay. I can't tell you guys the story, but you know, don't believe everything you hear.
Okay.
If you know what that implies, you know.
To the candy, bro. Never get in the van.
You know what? I'll
But I
tell
want
you,
candy,
you know,
bro.
I'll tell you. Okay.
I'm on
So-
stream. Listen, bro. I'm on stream. Just don't say anything too inappropriate, okay?
Just don't
Ah.
swear.
Oh wait.
Actually, no, if you're on stream, never mind. I ain't gonna say nothing then.
He
Actually,
is
no, I
gonna be
can't say
quiet.
this. Can't say this. How do you say? It was planned. That's how I'm gonna say.
Okay.
Oh,
It was planned, bro. That kid thought
Yeah.
it was
Dinksel, I
planned.
like your logo. Who made
They
it?
knew what they were doing.
Wait, how do you get the things in your add-on? Well, I mean, I guess you will be able to craft them. I don't have any recipes yet. I will make like a crafting station, a custom one where you can like right-click items to inject them, and then, oh no, when you right-click it, it will open a menu, and then you can select a recipe. Then it will consume your items, and then, yeah. And then we'll do a funny animation and then it will output your item. I just got spammed on my phone. Hey, I have a other idea. Sure. Tell me the idea. Wait, today are worlds. Okay, at 1
Bro, what?
at 1 AM for me, I gotta go.
Where?
I'm doing a watch party with some guys.
It's a watch party. Think you're
Like
gonna
just
watch
watching,
something?
yeah, with my friends.
Netflix and chill with friends.
No, no, I mean, I guess.
No. You don't know what it means. It means SEX.
I know what that means.
Then why did you say maybe?
No,
You
Maybe
said maybe.
maybe had a dungeon and searches to find the stuff to make the items. Well, there will be some items that require you to go in deep caves, obviously. Like, there's a reason.
Dungeons.
There's a reason why this map goes to negative 512, or will go. Like, you could
Well.
basically swim forever
Forever
and ever.
and ever.
I mean, right
Oh
now
my
it's
god.
only to negative 64, but that is because Amulet doesn't support more. That's why I'm gonna make like an
Boop.
algorithm, which will generate the rest of the world for me.
Boop.
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 Why is your stream buffering for me? No.
Boop.
Because
Boop.
I'm
Oh, there we
doing-
go.
Yeah, there we go. See,
Is this the right thing?
What? Yes, I accept terms and yes. You need this for FL Studio to work. You don't need to select those.
been here since 10 subs. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't know
Yeah,
that.
I am.
yeah,
a
I've been
G.
here since 10 subs. Come on.
I've been
Pretty
here since
OG.
2022.
He wasn't here since 10 subs. He told me the same thing.
Bro, I'm my first subscriber.
Yeah.
Wait, who was my first subscriber? Oh, I know.
I also know who was my first subscriber. My alt.
my first video, yeah, my very first video was like a Skyblock video, a Hypixel Skyblock video, right?
Oh yeah.
I had some friends with me that, well, recorded this
Yeah.
video, and yeah, I just,
Yeah, friends.
yeah, and I think they subbed me.
You don't have friends.
Shut up.
Then who are you?
Bro, who just ended my video? Who scammed me?
Your video ended?
I was watching a video and just closed them.
Wait, why exactly do I need a tick event for this?
Oh my god, bro, what is this? Why is there lyrics on my screen?
Oh wait. Yeah, just click file, top left. Click file and then click new from template and click empty. Empty. No,
Empty, that's it, empty.
click now, click file,
Oh, that works, that works, that
new
works.
from template,
That
and then
works.
here's empty. Like, no, not that. That's
It
not
works,
completely
though.
Shut up. There's empty. Yes, this one. Yes. Okay, good. Now you can do stuff.
What?
Yeah, now you can do stuff.
How do I add stuff, bro?
Click on the
Click
plus in
add.
your channel rec,
No, click add in the top left corner of your screen.
or just click plus in the channel
Now,
rec.
now find citrus
Why is it this?
because it's good. Citrus.
Where's that?
It's a synth.
Yeah, citrus. In the middle, literally in
My
the middle
guy's
of
trying to
everything.
make music.
There you go, citrus.
There.
Up, there you go. Now
Now-
click on presets in the top right corner. And
Oh.
there you go, you can select a lot of sounds.
Yeah, and you can test all the sounds by smashing your keyboard. Basically,
Or just clicking on the piano.
Just press like Y and yeah.
Or just press with your mouse on the keyboard.
Yeah.
Ow, this is hurting my ears.
Yo,
Then change
Sal.
to another preset. You selected a hi-hat.
This kicked me out of the game, bro.
Well then, have fun. Anyways, I'm gonna make this. So.
Kick sounds like a kick. Ow!
Yeah, I saw the little audio waveform just going up. Yeah, and when you selected the sound you like, oh, it's Dingle! It's Dingle! Look at the top
Hey!
right corner. It's Dingle! This is Dingle.
No.
Please use the sound, whatever this is. Dingsel type beat.
I'm gonna use this.
Dingsel. No.
Look it.
No,
I'm
don't.
using the Dingsel beat for Dingsel.
Yes, Dingsel type beat, let's go.
No.
That sounds weird. Do you know how to make a melody?
Nope.
Click on the right screen, on the top right corner of your screen. There's a little piano, a bit more to the left. Yeah, that one. Click it, and now you can do stuff. Yeah, you can scroll up and down if you want to.
Fucking tab 9.
Yeah,
Please autocomplete.
delete the other
How do I
ones.
play it?
Click spacebar. Dingsel type beat. And try to extend it. Grab it on the corner and extend the note. Yeah, you can do that. Dingsel type beat, let's go, dude.
Don't make a Dingsel type beat.
This is so stupid. Goofy ass Dingsel type beat. This is quality content. Wait, can your stream hear this?
Nope. But I said, but I'd assume it's a modern art, isn't or modern art, isn't it?
I'm so good at this.
What the fuck?
You see
The
that
heck are
little
you doing?
thing? You can manipulate it. Just move points up and down and see what happens. This is velocity, basically volume. Goofy adding type beat.
Wow.
Using Dingle, Quandale Dingle.
Stop.
Uh-oh. How do I get rid of these, bro?
Oh,
Right
but
click.
for the forms it works. Maybe it's just because of these.
I'm deleting
Having
these.
fun?
Yeah.
You see near your BPM there's a little thing, I guess. There's a little button, you should click it. It will do ticking sound so you know what's the BPM. Near your BPM, where it says 140. Yeah, this one. This is your BPM. I suggest you lower it to like 90. This is so fire. E. This is Dinkshot IV, let's go.
So what are you doing right now? I'm creating a form right now. You know, when you click the cell, it will open like a menu that shows you, well, yeah, that shows you the stuff about the cell.
Dub.
Okay.
I need to find a good. No.
So what I want to make is now that. Are you a add-on maker?
Yes.
I am making an add-on, yeah. This making an add-on, yeah.
That is what the stream is called.
Oh yeah, I kinda need to move this up in a second. Me, I'm dungeon maker. Like I make dungeons in Minecraft. Ooh, so you're working like with world generation and shit? Or just building?
Can I lower this?
Yeah, my visualizer's dying. Absolutely. That's fun.
No,
I
I'm just
guess.
building dungeons in my world. Ah, okay, so you're just
A builder.
a builder, yeah.
Mr. Builder Boy. Let's go.
Okay, how do I save this, bro?
Click Control S.
Like right now.
Oh, this? This is already saved. You can close it. This too. You can close it, fine.
Where is
Now
it?
click on
No,
pattern 1.
yeah, you need to draw it in your
Literally in the middle of your screen there's a pattern 1.
Yeah?
Yes. No, don't double click it. Just click it once and then place
Draw
it
it.
somewhere on the right.
Yeah. Draw it somewhere in your thingy, in your tracks. I guess
Or
you
you
can,
can
do that.
drag it, I guess.
Can place it anywhere.
Move it.
And
There
then
you go.
on the top you see pattern and song, and if you play the whole song it should be. Yeah. Or
Think so.
like on the-
You learned way quicker than him.
I guess. And then
No, like, way quicker.
Commands. Well, commands aren't really good for making this the stuff, just because commands lag a lot, and if you're making a big project, I wouldn't suggest you using commands, but for smaller projects, I guess
How
it's
do you
fine.
do the drums, bro?
You have to create drums first. Go to add citrus and then find drums.
Where am I, bro?
Close everything. Just close everything. The channel rack, close it. Close the mixer. You don't need it. There you go. And I suggest you drag the whole thing to the left. You can close that. Double click it. There you go. There we go. This is like default.
I know
No.
commands are not the best, but I like make bosses, that's all. Well, if you're having fun with it and you like it, then go for it. Then, yeah, good, it's good. I wonder what you guys are doing.
He's struggling. He's struggling a lot.
I give a like. Thank you.
Everybody who's watching should definitely subscribe to Dangsel's YouTube channel.
And join the Discord and
Yes,
yeah,
join the
please,
Discord.
please get me to 500 subscribers because look, I usually don't beg for subscribers, but I just want the community tab. If you guys know what I mean.
Join the Discord. It's a good Discord server, I promise.
Dude, also, if you go to my channel, why the fuck is this video? why the fuck is the stream before my before my stream yesterday? Like, look, what the fuck?
It's not.
Look at that machine.
Oh, it's bugged for you for some reason.
Yeah. I have 31,000 views. What? Where? I guess all my videos are doing good.
Your, I don't know,
Whoa.
most popular videos have ranging from 1K to 3K.
Yeah. Like.
Well, actually, your past 16 videos are ranging from 700 to 3.5 thousand views.
Cool.
So I think that's where the views
I
come
think
from.
when Kai
I
gets
still
his
have more.
PC again is when everybody's gonna go back to the common VCs.
The what?
No,
Who is Kai?
I don't know.
Uh,
How many
A
views
very
do I have?
harmful
I
person.
have 39. You're having fun, buddy?
nope. I don't know how the fuck to do a drone.
Dude, I told you, go to add in the top left corner of your screen. Click add. Find citrus. That's not citrus.
Why citrus, bro?
Because it has a ton of things.
Yeah, that if you don't want to use citrus, it's fine, okay? Look, you can
Yeah,
also
but-
just go inside your channel rack. Go inside your channel rack. It's
He doesn't know what's a channel.
yeah,
rack.
one of those buttons on the top right. Just toggle them all at least once. On the top right. No, not in the citrus. If you
Not in the citrus. Close the citrus.
close the citrus,
I guess that's a clap.
I guess. Close the citrus, please.
Close the citrus. You monkey.
Okay.
You got a kick. You got kicks.
Dude, why the fuck has the citrus so much stuff?
Oh my god. Citrus has a lot of stuff.
Yeah,
I don't know why.
indeed.
Okay, I won't bother helping him. I wanted to, but I see that. Why would I bother? I'm just
Let
keep
him,
my
let
vision-
him, let him do his. No, it's not showing anything. Oh, because I'm missing the menu that show.
Add citrus. Okay. Well, let's-
My visualizer looks sick. What the heck? How is this allowed? This shouldn't be allowed. What the heck?
But please, no, never mind.
No racism.
What?
No racism.
Yeah, that's bad. But
Fool.
What do you mean, but?
Do I stop crashing it or not yet?
They set this back. They say it's back up.
Oh yeah, try to go in it.
I'm banned.
Oh.
L.
Well yeah, I had
Wait,
0 players.
so you didn't even crash the little thingy, the realm. You didn't even end up crashing it.
Did look, try to go in it.
like he tried to crash a ram and I don't know.
Wait, what's the name of the realm again?
Skygen.
Oh, Zoran? Yeah, 0 people on it.
Hey, can you guys see two big comment I sent in live chat? Wait, oh wait,
Huh.
live chat.
So I click add, bro, and it doesn't do anything.
Hey, maybe you guys want to see my boss. What if you guys want to? I'm on
Okay.
Minecraft Bedrock. I mean, you can
me do it.
on my Discord server. I have a channel called Showcase. If you want, you can showcase your
You
stuff.
want to add drums, right? Why? I don't think that's how you add drums. Right click. There you go.
Yeah, but
What are you doing?
okay. I'm trying to add something.
Yeah, then just
Also, why
add the
did it ban
pattern
you
one.
from the Skygen?
Add?
Click on pattern one, drag it on your timeline. There you go.
Doesn't
You almost got it. Move it there. Now click on add, find citrus, and then select a preset which says like kick or snare or hi-hat or something like that. Sure, you can use that as a kick.
Oh, I didn't import it. Me stupid.
I feel like you would need sliding notes to make this sound good, but that's a pretty cool preset. I might use it.
That's my main file. /. Cells.
Yep, I won't bother. I'm gonna go make my visualizer.
I'm gonna make this.
Hi, Dingsel, how you doing?
Oh, 25.
25 what?
What?
Yeah, how do I do
Oh,
it?
wait.
How do I do it?
Wait, huh?
What?
Incorrect.
Visualize. Heck, what the heck? Hey, yeah? Look at that.
Oh.
No, that's not it. That's times 2.
Small energy cell undefined of object. No.
What the fuck?
Oh god. Oh yeah, I forgot this. Oh, object.
Object.
Current charge 0 out of 1000. Sick, that works.
When's Black Friday gonna happen?
Huh?
Triple.
The heck?
Yeah, and I also need to make it a bit more. I need to make the levels a bit more. Yeah, I need to change them because, well, right now the solar panel is producing 0, which is
That's unfortunate. Why is that?
So, are you gonna post in this showcase channel? Anyways,
Me?
no.
What?
The
Hi.
guy from the chat.
Hi. How you doing?
Me, yeah, you.
Yeah, you. Who do you think I'm talking to? You peasant. I'm kidding.
What's a peasant?
You don't know what a peasant is?
No.
Like, I don't know, a weaker person, I don't know. Like, you peasant. You know?
Okay.
Like, you're worse than me or something. I'm better than you, know?
Bro, that's so good.
Silence, peasant. There you go. See? That's how it works. Oh god, my visualizer just froze.
Bro, this is like
After Effects? Maybe let's not do this? Please? Oh, thank you. It didn't crash. Would you look at
Hey.
that? My After Effects didn't crash. Crazy. That really happens, by the way. Okay, I made my visualizer, but I don't want to know how long this will take to actually render. Probably a while. An hour.
Yeah, this works.
La funny. What'd you do? Oh, that's way too much. Whoops. Well, wait, should I just... Yeah, I'm gonna get my headphones. I'm just gonna talk to you guys on my phone. 'Cause I'm
Why?
gonna render some. Well, I'm rendering, so I can't use anything.
Okay.
Well, it will take like 10 times as long, so no point. Anyways, I'll see you in like 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay.
Bye.
Be right back.
Can you hear it?
Oh,
Okay, tell me when you're on the stream or when it's unmuted. Whatever. Yo. Dingzel.
hmm?
Can you hear it? Can you hear the audio?
Wait. Wait a minute. So, okay. Hello, little kid. Okay.
Little kid, come here. Little kid, come here.
Why?
Cause it's funny.
Why? Anyways, okay. So we have a variables thingy, so we can do variables.get and cell values, and this will return the cell values. We don't have any cell values yet, don't we? No.
Yo, this is my song.
Wait, how is it called?
Feel the rhythm.
So this should work, I hope.
Feel the rhythm.
County property dest small. Oh, it has to be dest. Wait. Like, does it has to be like this? Cells 9. Oh, I see. Wait, no. Oh, like this. Hey, Shadow X 202. Yeah, that works. Let's make other variables. For example, cell IDs. And then there's just gonna be just small cell. And then we can do if variables that get what are they called? Cell IDs. IDs dot include hit entity dot type ID like this. Well, we don't have to call this every time it does like shit, so we can just do. Eh. Hello.
What do you mean? It says that I'm speaking.
Yes, you're
Hello.
speaking.
I'm speaking.
You're speaking.
Oh, okay. Hi. I'm
Hi.
here now. It said that I'm not speaking. Which
Well,
just
yeah,
went-
it's a mobile bug. But hey, you sound very horrible. But hey,
Really?
I mean, you can watch my stream to see.
No, I want to turn off the stupid stream. There you go. I sound
Why?
horrible. No, shut up.
I turned off the audio too.
I sound horrible? Really?
Not that horrible, but like
What's horrible?
your voice, your quality. I mean, obviously, but you're understandable, but nothing more.
What do you mean understandable? No.
What?
Hmm.
Oh, Jesus.
Hmm. Well.
Hello.
Hi.
Drill charger. I'm making a variable system.
Good job. God, your keyboard is loud.
Yeah.
Jesus. I'm gonna watch a stream.
Hey.
Making a Minecraft Bedrock Underwater Addon.
Client modules waiting room.
I don't sound that bad, come on.
That's okay.
I mean, okay, I do sound kind of bad. Never mind.
It's fine. Wait, what else? Energy network, yeah. Generator values.
We love generator values. They're amazing.
Yeah.
26 minutes left.
Okay, I'm back. Welcome back!
Hello, Jordan. Hi.
And then generator values is equal to. And then don't have a what? Oh, that's sad.
Little
Rip.
kid, come here. Little kid. Little kid, come
Variables
here.
that you get.
What does that sound?
What?
Oh, that's you. Are you singing?
What? Oh, this is my. You like my song? Did you hear it?
Oh yeah, I love it. It's so good.
Now please don't break anything.
Did you know that you can zoom in on videos?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. They on your phone, you mean? Or
Yeah,
yeah, that's a new feature.
that's so cool. It's a feature. What the heck? That's so cool. What the heck? It feels illegal. I can just scroll through your code. What the heck?
Yo, this sounds like Herbert, bro.
Yeah, well, you made it, so. Goofy, things what I beat.
Dude. Why are you guys
You're
bullying me?
What names they got?
Wait, I'ma watch your stream. Can you play it?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me when you watch it.
Come on, rotate. No, I want to watch your stream. I don't want to view your account. No, how do I watch the stream?
Are you on your phone?
Yes. I don't know how this works. This is stupid.
Why
It
is
shows me
phone-
your icon.
Click on my icon and then it'll show everything.
Up there you go. I can watch stream. Okay. You can play it now.
Identity type ID to return. Okay, now let's see if everything works. I can open this menu. I can open. Yeah, it's good.
That's my good song.
So good. Now I can
It's good.
modify stuff directly in here.
It's so good.
Little kid, come here.
It's so good. I love it.
Do you want little kid, come here?
Little kid, come here.
It's so out of sync, but it's fine.
Just disable
Look
this
good.
thinking thingy, the metronome.
Want little
I mean, then
chicken
again,
round.
he's not actually making a song, so yeah, I guess.
How do I turn off split?
Just
You
choose
click the little pencil.
Yeah. Okay,
You can
guys.
zoom in on Discord as well. What the heck?
Okay, guys. Now let's make a system where you can use a wrench to bind something to something, and for that we're gonna make a wrench texture.
An on item use?
Yeah, I guess.
I'm gonna be back in like 10-15 minutes.
Why?
Yes.
Okay.
Thanks. Goodbye. I'll be back when it exports.
You always say that. Okay, guys. Let's make a wrench, shall we? I need reference images.
We shall not.
Minecraft wrench. Yeah, some kind of like this. Ooh. Ooh. With reference, I mean just a little bit of inspiration. Here, and then just, I don't know, let's make this stick a darker color. Just like, something like this, you know, guys. I still want the colors to be a little bit more adjusted, but this is like the concept. Okay, now let's check the dimensions. So, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. No. Okay. We have to make this one bigger, like this. Right. Also, so we do it like this or this? I think this is better. So first of all, the handle is just gonna be like black, and like it should look like rubber. So let's make the outer thingy. I guess let's just color it all black. Then set this to 1. Then edit and just go up a bit. No, this one didn't completely. No, it's additive. Normal. Thank you. And we can do additive and choose a darker color and then just do this. Like this. Perfect. Now we're gonna use multiply to do the edges. Nice, now we have a nice handle. Now let's make the head. For the head, I'll make it that the upper part is brighter than the bottom part. Because I know, I feel like it. So, yep, we are still on multiplying, so I just do this. Go a bit up. Wait, does upping it? Ja. Kannst du bald ein deutsches Video zur GameTest API machen? Most of my viewers are English. Die meisten meiner Zuschauer sind Englisch. Und die Videos am Anfang waren schon Deutsch. Aber vielleicht kann ich mir da. Ich hatte vor, das alles nochmal neu zu machen, weil es mittlerweile ein bisschen outdated ist. Komplett neu zu machen. Und dann halt ein komplettes Video mit der englischen und deutschen Version. Also 2 Videos, wo ich die komplette API erkläre. Deutsch und Englisch. So ja. Wann ich diese Videos mache, not sure. One. Nope. 2. I think it looks fine. Let's see it in game though. I'm gonna use bridge. Wrench. And a wrench is a tool, I guess. Wrench.json. JSON. Remove the category, remove food. Restoration. It's animation. Hand equipped. True. Now let's save it too. Ordering suspects, but 13 textures, items. Wrench. Wrench is also a tool. And now I also need to modify the textures, item texture, texture data, wrench, items, tools, wrench, like this. And thank you, Bridge, but we don't need you anymore. Now we should have a wrench. There we go. 64 to be exact. But yeah, so basically you will be able to click it or interact with it and then interact with all those thingies to bind them. Yeah. I need to change the wrench a bit though. Like this. And now we can only have one wrench. Although I think the wrench is a bit too small and a bit too dark. Let's make it day. Like, it's again one of those textures that look okay in the editor but look shit in game. It's like the lithium. You know? The lithium looks good in the editor but it's shit in Minecraft. Anyway, save a wrench. And with this wrench you will be able to hit, and then hit, and then, yeah. So, right. Hit to connect them, theoretically. Now I need to do it practically. Oh my god, I need to do so much. I need to do so much to make this wrench work. So first of all, I need to check, or first of all, I need to make the menu only open if you don't have the wrench as the selected slot. So, or entity dot get component inventory dot container dot get item entity dot cell that slot dot. I guess we can just do. It's a bit too much for me, that's why I will do it in a constant because it's too long. Any linter won't like that. Type ID is not or if the type ID is equal to A wrench. Const wrench. Nah. Should I? Do I want to hardcode it? Like maybe I want an electric wrench, right? So. Wrenches. Get wrenches. And then I need to do this. Or wrenches dot includes the identity type ID. Identity dot type ID. Never mind, the item type ID. Now I need my variables again. Let's make wrenches. It's gonna be an empty array. Or not empty, I'm gonna fill it up real quick. And then the first element will be dest wrench. Like this. And now, when I click the wrench, that's okay. Container. Oh, I misspelled it. Inventory. You see, guys? It doesn't. What's happening with my hand? Oh, it's just the
You-
animation that.
You
Whoa.
are happening.
What? What? Ooh, type ID of undefined 29. And 9. Ah, yeah, items.
Is it because that's a block?
No, I'll get it just because of this.
Your item is no.
Yeah, see? Now this doesn't, but if I open this, so if I click with the wrench, then it's fine. And if I click this, then yeah. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. Now, same thing for the solar panel. So,
What are you making?
a wrench so I can, you know how you, you know how you have this energy cell, right?
Yep.
I'm gonna make it so that you can link the solar panel to the energy cell, so it can fill up the energy cell. You
How
know,
are you gonna do that? Are you gonna connect it with the lead or something? Or what?
no, like with the wrench, there will be no visible connection, just because it would be very imperformant to do. I'm not saying it's impossible. I'm saying that it will kill the performance. And that's not what I want. So there will just be an invisible connection. You know, but the connection will still be limited. The range, you know.
Mhm. Like 5 blocks or something.
I guess. No, not 5 blocks. Like, actually, like yeah, 10 blocks. Like, actually, what if the solar panels had like a range of 10, but the energy cell had a range of 30? That would be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's actually a nice idea. So people are encouraged to get a energy cell.
You should make a generator.
There are generators. The solar panel is
What?
one generator.
No, but I mean like a gas powered generator.
Oh yeah, there will be like a nuclear generator, or and bio generator and shit like this. Don't worry.
A water generator.
Water. I mean, nah. In a water come on, in a water
You
project.
can use what? You can generate power with water.
Yeah, sure, but you need a water stream. A stream of
Yeah,
water.
you can figure that out.
So, I will just copy everything from here. So, this.
Wow, where you're copying?
Oh my god.
Copying from your
I'm
own
copying
code?
from my own code.
Damn it.
And now I check for if the wrenches include the type ID, it will also just return. Because there will be multiple wrenches, you know, there will also be like an electrical wrench which can repair vehicles.
Water stream equals water flow. Shut the fuck up, Matrix.
Is a water stream not a water flow?
It is.
So if I hit this,
I think he's trying to make it say flowing water. I think he meant flowing water.
obviously.
I mean,
Water stream.
but flowing water might just be anything. I think flowing water is even just in a lake.
Yeah, but I don't want to make like any water mills because it's an underwater project. Like there will be enough water, okay? Like come on, like you should be encouraged to build like big energy farms just for your shit to work.
You should make that one game with the raft.
Why? No, I want to make
Where,
underwater.
where you have to get generators and stuff, and then you can get motors.
I mean,
Yeah, honestly, you are hating on the Industrial Revolution. Well, I thought I was staring at my screen.
oh, the sea light is empty. That's why it's not propelling me. Let's charge it. Wait, how is it emptied so fast? Is the charge? Yeah, the charger is charging. Wait, how much energy does it consume? Oh, I think I lowered it just because. Yeah, because I wanted to see. Also, what is this? Oh, it's a part of the solar panel. Okay, now we need to make the wrench working. For that, in the energy network, I need to set a new dynamic property, and
Yeah, and then you have to save the
yeah, save the
coordinates to
binding.
get the difference, right?
Oh no, it's an entity, so I just have to, well, say what the entity is binded to.
Oh, can't you? Yeah.
Um,
You should tell him to add Russian tanks for World War. He wants you to add Russian tanks from World War One.
hey bro, if you're that big of a pussy to let him talk to me, might as well just talk to myself in person, okay?
Talk to me like what? Why are you importing system?
Well, I needed it for like ticks, and I'm gonna need it again. But yeah,
Okay,
I'd now
alright.
delete it anyways. Define
I
string
gotta go take a piss.
called binding, and the max length will be like 100. Okay, 100 is a bit too much. Let's do. What is the longest block name? 50? Oh, and I also need to make like shit, like, like, oh my god. So I need to make stuff for when the binding, like if someone removes an energy cell, you know, or removes a solar panel, then that binding doesn't exist anymore. That's definitely not cursed. But yeah. We'll see how we will do it. So we have a binding. And I think the binding will just save the location of the entity that it's being bound to. And yeah. So wait, where does it generate the energy? Here, right? So this is the part where the energy gets added. So Yeah, this has to be beneath this, I think. So, let a const binding is equal to entity.getDynamicProperty binding. And promotes my Discord server.
Up.
Good job. Hi.
Hello, hello. Hit
Hello.
export. Let's go.
Hello. Let's make a function called check for binding.
You're still working on it?
I got the. Oh, this will be very hard, you know. Know that it will take the whole stream, maybe.
Rip.
You know that
Is the sound better now?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you for the reassurance. I needed it.
Check for binding. Chords. Wait, can I get an entity at a certain position?
Yeah.
How?
How?
I guess, yeah, I know how.
Things will. Did
Yeah,
you say how?
yeah, I know how. Sure, shut up. I just needed some time.
Location.
Yeah, I
is
know.
equal to-
I know. It is just gonna be equal to chords and then const entity is equal to word.
Why is it just in chords? It should be X, Y, Z.
I will see how I want to do this, because the chords are supposed to be like the binding dynamic property or shit like that. So yeah.
You can do entity dot location for chords, I guess. Or
No,
make
I'm
an
not gonna.
array,
I'm not gonna
and then
pass
just
in.
spread the array.
I'm not gonna pass it the. Oh yeah, an array is not stupid. You're right, but.
If you spread the array, they can either do X, Y, Z, or just do.
Let me
dot
think,
location
okay?
or whatever.
Like, see my. For some reason, my auto imports are missing.
Mine too. Test if in.
Vault dot get entity get. Oh, vault dot get dimension. Oh,
Yes, we're all that then. Yeah, and then.
Oh my. Get entities and then location. It's just gonna be a. Oh, nope. Location is just gonna be the location. Yep. Takes in it takes in a location. So chords. And now I need here to check for the binding with the chords, and the binding. The chords
Just
is
make the chords blocked or block that location or something. Or I don't know.
the binding is gonna be what? Like the. I'm just gonna pass in the
Default.
binding. I will figure that out later. I'm just gonna pass in the whole binding, like the dynamic property.
Bop beep boop beep.
I don't know you had a property for it.
What am I doing?
Beep bop.
No.
What?
What the?
You're still making music? Oh no, you're not. You're playing Minecraft now.
I'm watching him. Cause I wanna. If. Yeah.
No
go
life
there.
here. All he does is play games all day long.
Why is it binding? Why binding? Binding is confusing.
Why? It's the binding between a or a generator and a cell. So
I don't
Yeah,
think he
but
knows what binding
You're not
means.
that's not checking for the binding. Binding. You're checking for the binding. At
I'm
the
checking
binding.
if the entity exists at that binding location. So yeah,
It should be at that. It should be a.
should be like this.
It should be location, not binding.
Why?
Because the way you have it right now, it looks like you're checking for what binding they have. If you use binding, like what do you do? Get
The binding
it's kinda-
is the location.
It's not how it seems though. Like right now, it seems like you're putting in the binding you want to check for, but you're not putting like it's not the location you want to check for the binding. It's the
It doesn't
Binding you
matter.
wanna
The
check.
binding is not just gonna be a location. Just gonna be like some properties. You will see. Just let me do. Return true. I guess I could just return the entity. So if there is a binding, it will return the entity. So if
Hey, it's a holiday.
no,
Yep. I'm gonna try checking for chat events. Matrix is streaming. What the fuck are you doing, Matrix? Why aren't you talking? Me when you should tell. Okay. Me when Boston Tea Party play MC, you autist. I don't think I can load. I need to close this. No, it's taking forever.
so if there's no bound entity, it will just well, yeah, continue putting energy into itself.
Why the fuck? Okay, what does this say? Let's go to handles. But I need to,
Also,
I
I
need
don't
to type
like
in
this.
chat. Let's see what it says in chat. I might say nothing. Event name chat used. Default easy. Get player game mode properties. Dimension 0. Oh, I gotta take a pee, bro. Wait.
Wait, what can a type be? Oh, family. Yeah, families. What kind of cell? What's the Zelda JSON? It's energy storage. Like this. So only entities that are yes and that.
Hello there.
Hello.
Hello.
What are you working on, Dingso?
Still.
Oh, the bindings? Ah, okay. Okay.
I have no idea. Auths have up here. What is this? Oh, wait. Can I change dimension to 1?
Need to space it out so I can. So, bound entity? Wait, no, I need to check if the binding even exists. So, if bound entity. Then we'll just get the current energy? I mean, I guess we can just remove that. Get the current energy. Yeah, like this. So now we have the energy state of the bound entity. We need to get the cells ID. That's weird. This will be very
Oh,
weird.
imagine not finding chat messages triple.
Imagine touching toes.
Imagine not being able to edit your messages.
Imagine touching your toes.
Imagine not having a multiplayer bypass, a multiplayer band bypass.
Imagine touching your toes.
Imagine not having a Actually, no, that's public. I can talk about that.
Imagine having a gamer score spoof? Shut the fuck up.
Imagine not having a Java account gen.
Imagine playing Java.
Ooh.
Oh, imagine not having alias.
Imagine using alias.
Imagine not having Zephyr Beta. Imagine not having her Iron Death build.
Imagine using Zephyr. Imagine.
Imagine not having it.
Imagine.
Yeah, I let those guys do their stuff. Just for a second. I need to concentrate, that's why. So, this will get the bound entity. So, we need to get the max energy of the bound entity. Fuck. This is kind of stupid, because in our variables we have... Yeah, cell values. Hey guys. Oh, so... Oh yeah. 0. And then we get the bound entity cell values. So max equal to bound entity, or the cell values of bound entity dot type ID, like this, dot max, because it's just gonna get the object. So then we're gonna do another if statement. Okay, we need to do something else. Shit. We need to get there. generator max, and then we need a transfer value. Transfer value. And it's just gonna be 2. That means that it can transport 2 energy. Should I close something? Let's just close everything that we don't need. So, then we check if bound energy, if in Klammern bound energy is bigger than max energy. Or is still like it, or if max is bigger than bound energy. No. Yeah, if max is bigger than bound energy. Then we'll just now I need to check if bound energy is or okay. Variables. So the transfer rate. So if the yes, I'm gonna make this I just want a proof of concept, don't blame me for nesting too much if statements. Bound energy plus transfer rate obj.transfer rate. So plus no, what did I do? So if this plus this if this plus this is bigger or equal than bigger than max, then it will just this is weird because it requires me to use math. Think, motherfucker, think. So if the bound energy plus the transfer rate is bigger than the maximum energy, then we'll set the dynamic property of the entity it will set the dynamic property of the entity to current minus so for example with 1.8 storage free in the transfer in the cell, right? If we have 1.5 let's say we have 1.5 free, right? But we have a transfer rate of 2. So we're gonna get the I'm getting headaches. Bigger than the maximum. We'll just do transfer rate minus the maximum, and all of this plus the current. Like this. And also it will set the bound entity, but not bound entity, bound entity dot set dynamic property. Oh, we also didn't. Oh, yeah. We set the energy state to max. And else we will just set the bound entity at set dynamic property energy state to current no, to bound energy plus 2. Bound energy or not plus the transfer rate, yeah. And it will set the entity dynamic property into set dynamic property the current oh no, set, I'm stupid. It will set the energy state to current minus the transfer rate. Like this. Yeah. We'll set the dynamic property state to this. Now we need to check if the thingy has enough transfer rate. And if so, then yeah. And if not, it's just gonna add functions. I think I need to make functions for that to make my life easier, honestly. But I'll just need a proof of concept, or the optimization will be later. Okay, so if the current minus the transfer rate is things that why are def because I need to concentrate now because I'm doing heavy shit in my brain. So if the current minus the transfer rate is I don't need this here, I need this here, don't I? Okay, I have a blackout. So what if the solar panel only has 1.5 energy? Then it shouldn't be adding 2 energy, you know, guys? So we need to make another check for if Oh, your friend is just repeating. What the fuck? Oh, good thing I'm muted. Just tell him to stop. But yeah, right now I'm muted, so I don't know. Okay, so God, now I'm back of the thingy. So I'm also deaf. Okay, good. So I need to focus again. Sorry, guys. So if the current minus the transfer rate is not equal to -2? Hmm. Check if... I mean, I guess I could just check if... Yeah, okay, I'm being stupid. Can if current is bigger than the transfer rate? It's bigger or equal. It's just bigger or equal than the transfer rate. That will do this, else it will just do entity that set dynamic property energy state. What am I doing? To 0, and we'll set the bound entity thingy to bound entity plus current. Jesus, what is this? My eyes, my poor little eyes. Now let's double check. Good. Now I kinda need to apply the something to apply the binding to. Yes, I'll optimize this later. Don't worry. It's just okay. The thing is that I don't actually need the energy cells to know to what they're binded to. I only need to know if the player, oh no, the entity, the current entity has a binding to something. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god, are you making a hack client? No. I'm just programming. Programming doesn't mean that I'm making a hack client. Return? I will just copy that. Again, optimization is done like a hacker. I don't know, I think I remember you. I think I even remember you. So, if the wrench list includes the type ID, so if it's a wrench that you're, well, using, then it will set the Okay, and I. Okay, so imagine. Hello, Nahoy gamer. Oh god, the lag. I don't know why that happens, but for some reason when you tap out, Minecraft enters like an energy save state, where it just... Oh, never mind. I just had to click once. Okay, so imagine you're hitting either of those... My mouse is on my second screen, but I can still move. What the heck? Okay, well, yeah, now it... No, nope, it's not okay. Is it now okay? Yeah, now it's okay. So imagine that you have this thingy. You click this, and it's binded, but you can also do this, and it's binded. We'll make it bidirectional. So, I need to check if the entity is a generator. Let's make that first. If hit entity dot family, is there like a shit. So that's shit. So oh, we have generator IDs. So if the entity is a generator, if it entity dot type ID, or if the generator IDs dot includes the hit entity dot type ID, it will set the player. I am gonna do this with player properties just because, yes. Player dot. Oh, there's only entity who made that hit. I wanna call. I still need to focus, kind of. Just let me do this real quick and then sure. So entity dot generator. Generator will equal to be to the hit entity dot location. Entity dot generator. So the player dot generator will be the location of fuck me. N-word is bad, don't say it. Yes, very bad. That's why I'm muted, because they are being little kids right now. If cell IDs that includes hit entity that type ID. What's the point of the VC? Just chill, bro. I'm trying to finish this, okay? Bind is equal to this. Okay. Now we check if entity dot generator bind and entity dot cell bind then it will I know the if-else statements. Optimization is always the last part you do. So if the generator bind and the cell bind already exist, then I'll just uvu. Then we just set this to undefined. Also the cell bind. Cell bind is equal to undefined. And then it will hit entity dot set dynamic property dot bind, or how is it called? Binding to the shall like and subscribe. Sure, if you like to. It's always I wouldn't complain if you did. Let's say like this. You get 64 cookies. Yes, I will drop you 64 cookies. No scam. JSON or stringify the entity dot no the hit entity dot location. Give me cookies. Okay, wait. Cookie just for you. Cookie. There, cookie. You like cookie? Here, 64 of it. Cookie. Wet cookie. Wet cookie, best cookie. All of them. Wet cookie. No, I can't do that. Is it entity.tell or is it entity.say? I think it's tell. Bound a generator at an entity location. Selected a generator at, and then into that cell selected a cell at hidden entity location. Then bound a generator bound to generator is entity dot generator to a cell. Entity dot cell bind. Okay, guys. I'm scared. I'm legitimately scared to try this one out because my brain hurts it so much. No. Binding. What is binding? Binding. Where did I? Okay. Binding. Okay. There will be some errors, but we'll see. Okay. So we have a thingy, which is now I need to despawn all of them. I'ma just do the quick one. And we also need the day. Give me a small battery and a generator. It's called solar. There we go. Bro, bro, really using Stingsel's sound profile picture? Who? Oh my god. Oh my. Okay, I think I'm gonna unmute now. Hello, guys.
Hello.
Hi. Well, hello. Yeah. So the weird part is done. Now the testing will. Oh right, I don't have my skin like this.
You
There we go.
don't have your skin? What the heck?
Sorry. Ooh, look at me wobbling. Ooh.
Wobble,
You guys
wobble.
like that? Why is this
Send
guy
wobble-
using my
send wobble
Discord
pics.
profile picture?
I don't know. I don't know. It's so weird.
Okay, so I want. Can I test this with you? I'm kinda scared.
Why are you just scared? I can join.
Yeah, please.
Give me a sec.
I'm
Give me a
scared
sec.
to try.
You're scared to try. It's okay, Dinksel. I'm here with you. Yeah. Oh yeah, I have to download the new pack. Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Let me do that real quick. It would be very unfortunate if it just 0 TPS crashes.
Nah.
What? No, I hope not. Because it did seem that you worked quite hard on it.
Yeah. You think?
To the point where you muted yourself to
You
focus.
think? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very fucking. Basically, I need to check for if the cell has bigger than its transfer rate, you know, and
Yeah.
shit like this. So
Yeah.
because
I guess
every
it might
cell-
be confusing and stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
Okay.
god, the registry.
Oh yeah, that's by the way, that's not only you. That's apparently a problem with this version. That's not only. You, so. Can you go to me?
I am flying up.
There it is.
Oh,
You have
thanks.
Okay.
Cube! Let's go. Look at
Okay.
this. Spawn
Okay,
small
wait.
battery cell.
Right click.
What do I do?
Right, no, left click. Selected a generator at object. Okay. Selected a cell
Uh,
at
I-
object, and it's.
It's current. No, I need a wrench.
It doesn't
got it.
work.
Oh, they're stackable. Also, why it looks like that?
Wait, I didn't. I thought I made them unstackable.
They're stackable.
Okay, so first of all, it says object, which is.
Okay, so I just select the generator at object. Selected cell at object.
Yeah.
Bound
I'm
a
not
generator object to cell object.
Yeah, okay, that's it's fine if I could console log the binding.
Oh no! I picked it up. Oh wait, I can place it back. It's
Yeah,
okay.
but I think you have to bind it again.
Okay. Select the generator at the object. Oh, object is supposed to be coordinates, right?
Yeah. It's
then
fine though,
that's
it's fine
easy.
though, it's fine.
Yeah, it's easy.
I know. Okay, reload.
Oh, Bro, you're supposed to reload.
I did. Okay,
Oh,
so
okay.
why are you deafened? I'm not deafened. I didn't have mic. Be careful. You are cool. Okay.
What?
Okay. He doesn't have mic.
He's fine.
Okay, I joined back. Oh, it's doing something. Apparently you've bound it.
I'm gonna bound another two. Let me do this.
It's just console logging me an empty object. No, please don't bind again. Hello.
It didn't bind the first time. Current charge 0. Which are you supposed to press first?
Oh yeah, I realized the issue. So basically, if you select this one, and then this one, you have to select this one again, you know?
Yeah. Oh, okay. So first you have to select the cube.
No, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I want to make this bi-directional. Anyways.
Oh, I bounded it. I bounded it.
Okay, good. Now we need to make it so well, right now it's not
80%.
really using the location or anything. It's just location.x.
Hmm.
Ah,
It does current
It's 'cause
charge
you're
0.
stringifying it. Don't stringify it. Don't stringify it.
why? It has to be a string for the dynamic property to work. It has to be a string.
It returns returns
Const.
x, y, and z value.
Sure. Const location. Location is oh no, const x. How about we do const x y
X, y, z.
is equal to hit entity dot location. Stringify x. Can
But
just
if this cube is small energy cell, is like the big one gonna be like 9 by 9?
Who's the other guy in VC?
probably because of the storage, and I guess I could make it bigger, but yeah, doesn't matter, right? So what do I want to stringify? I want to stringify,
X, Y, Z.
yeah. So x will just be equal to x, and y is gonna be y, and z is just gonna be z.
Z. Y.
Right? Like this. Then from the check for binding, I have to I'm getting the thingy passed in as like the dynamic property. That means the location is JSON JSON dot parse.
JSON.
It will parse the binding to make it back into like usable shit. It will
Yup.
parse the binding. So this should be object, and then I will const
Object.
xyz const xyz is equal to location. So const block location is equal to new block location. I need to import block location.
Oh no! I jumped off the platform.
You have
Oh, I'm in
greater.
survival.
Oh
No,
yeah,
I'm
you have
still-
OP.
I know. But still, I fell. No.
Okay, so block location is equal to new new block location with math.trunk or math.round or math.trunk. Hey, doesn't matter. Trunk from x, y, and z. And I can just pass in the block location as the location. And now let's try it again. Reload.
I killed them.
Place them again. It's fine.
Wait, I need the other spawn egg. I'm gonna search for it.
Yeah.
There you go. And this one, and
I'll
then
bind them. Sadly, you have to do it with left click. Have you binded them?
I bound a generator and then I selected it right after for some reason.
Binding is not defined. Dynamic property binding is not defined. It said.
That is 0. There's null, probably. Just do if binding is equal to null.
That's not the thingy. It's
Oh
saying
my
that
God.
the dynamic property is not defined. That means that
Log it and see what happens.
yeah. Binding. Is it called binding here? Yeah, binding. Okay. Maybe I just misspelled it.
It's because aren't you saving it as a world property?
Binding. Okay, hit entity. I'm saying saving this as a. Okay, it has a
Yes.
bound. It has a bound. Okay, that's good. But it doesn't float up,
there you
I
go.
think.
Stats 61. No, it doesn't charge.
Yeah. Okay, now I need to see why. what did I change to make this work though? Just
That's
console
okay.
want the binding. Oh wait,
New console one.
does
yeah,
it
yeah,
console
better.
want this? Oh, I never mind. Okay. So can
Console one
sure, please.
energy maybe.
I need to check if the bound entity exists. So console dot warn bound entity, and it should say object object. It says
Object,
false.
object.
It says
Oh.
false. Okay.
It should say object, object says false.
Yeah, it's a bit shit. Check for binding. Console. What? One block location. No, please. It's saying object, object. Yeah, cause. And now console that warn entity. For some reason this is undefined, correct? Undefined, yes. So I know it's this script that errors out. I need to know why. Let me do math.round. Maybe it doesn't like trunk. Round. What? Warn entity. Undefined. Okay.
I think it's the family.
Energy storage. Energy storage. I mean, I could remove the family. It would probably still. It's the location that's being faulty. We can check in a second what location it is. If it's the location from the right entity, you know. Yeah, I see it's still undefined. So, yeah, we need to check the location. Console.warn the
And I fell.
thingify block location. Okay,
Why
so
don't you just deconstruct it?
Ow.
because wait, is the block location even valid? Like, if I do block location.x, will it say something? -21.
What?
Yeah, it's the wrong block
I'm sorry,
It's the
I
wrong
was
block
clicking.
location. So first of all, it's this block. Second of all, it's not the cell.
Oh yeah, I have Orion. Let me start hacking.
It might be too fit, or maybe instead of round, maybe fix it to 0.
I just did the wrong entity.
Oh, it's not.
Yeah, I just did the hit entity, but I need the cell bind. Cell bind. So entity.cell bind. Cell bind. Like this. Reload. And please don't hack.
Entity cellbound isn't defined. Is it?
Time set there slash do daylight cycle false.
Boop, boop, boop.
Okay, so this is working at 10%. Okay, so like generator. Now it's saying that the binding is not defined. Like dynamic property binding is not defined. For who though? For the hit entity. No, it has to be for the... I have a better idea. Okay, I'm not gonna pass in the whole location. I'm passing in the whole entity. Ooh. Cellbind dot location. Set the generator bind genera or entity dot generator bind. Generator bind dot set dynamic property the binding to whatever this is. So you won't come? Okay, it's fine.
What?
Ah, it's fine.
Okay, I'm joining. I tapped out by accident and couldn't
Cannot
bother to
read
come back.
Property set dynamic property of undefined. That means that the generator bind is undefined, which means that this...
I'm here, hello.
Hello. So... Wait, then what is generator bind, you monkey?
I don't know.
It says, look, this can only be run when generator bind is defined, but it's not.
It's not.
Generator bind. Oh, did I misspell it? Gener-
No, you have it defined below it.
Oh, entity dot generator bind. So this should be object. Undefined? How can... Oh my... Yeah. Next time I will think before writing code. Undefined. Okay. So... Now the block location is faulty again, because...
Why are you doing new block location?
Because I need a block location... Wait.
You can just use a fucking string.
Wait a minute. Oh, it has to be a location, just a location. Not a block location. That's awkward. Please don't tell me that's it.
I was wondering what the heck a block location was. I don't see his location.
Wait. No, it's not console wanting the entity anymore because, well, let's see if it even works. Nope. But it should say entity. Please be defined. Undefined, okay.
Try console warning block location.
Yeah, I guess. So it has to be object. Yep, it's object. So if I do object.x, then it should give me the x coordinate of the block, which is -28. Which is not true because it's -29. So if I
You're
remove the
rounding
math.round thingy, will this work?
Why don't you just do .2 fixed?
No. Math.trunk. Math.random? How did this get in? Well,
Well, that's probably not gonna work.
it's still undefined though.
What is?
The entity.
Entity? Remove
Maybe
the
I need to do a
family.
max range of like one block. Ich habe mittlerweile versucht, irgendwelche Sachen mit Game Test JS zu machen, aber hab's nicht geschafft. Ah ja, das ändert sich ganz, also Game Test ändert sich ganz viel gerade. Ich würde am besten noch ein bisschen warten. You know. Ich mache bald auch noch ein bisschen ein Tutorial. Zu allem. Zu alles nochmal. Und ja. Okay, so, now that's a bit weird. Because block location dot y and z, even though it's not the block location, but doesn't matter. So 159 and 1.5. So this would basically be
Right
here. This would be this corner right here. For some reason. Right?
Are you grabbing? Okay, I have a question for you.
Yeah?
Are you grabbing the player location?
Nope.
Also, the Y might have to be -1. I don't know.
But I think, so depending on what values I'm getting, it has to be math.ceil. Like, looking at the values I'm getting, it has to be math.ceil. Undefined? How is math.ceil of -28?
Keep it to the
It's
coordinates.
not. Oh my god, the math.ceil is a bit weird. I
Do
know,
two
I know, I
things,
know.
just
Shush,
try
shush.
it.
I know why, I know why. It has to be math.floor because. And no, I'm not gonna use two fixed.
Why?
Because I don't want to remove the thingy. The. Okay, but now it's trolling me, isn't it? It's literally this entity. It's literally this location. Can't tell me
Try removing
otherwise.
the family from entity. Just try it.
It's not gonna do anything. I mean, I could do max distance of 2. Undefined. Oh my god, because it...
Just
I know why, shut up. I know why. I hate myself.
Oh, go on the world.
Huh?
oh.
It's because it's an iterator and not an array, so I can't get the array value of it. Now it
Purple.
will get the entity.
Energy
Science
stays
going
fine.
public.
What?
Science gonna go public.
Shit.
I wish I could say the same about Chronos, but no.
Science not even that good, bro. This is all visual.
Bro, Science like the best client ever. I don't know what you're on about.
Energy.
Uh-huh.
State.
Just like a
The little-
so-called, just like a so-called Hive Infinite Fly, bro. His
They
hot
do
thing
have a
is,
Hive Infinite Fly.
Yeah, bro. No, when I asked him a bit ago, he said he had one. He turned on blink and started flying around.
They're not ever gonna show you the real thing. There's a beta build and like a public build now. Or at least there will be soon. Are you in your world?
Nope.
Yes, you are. I'm joining.
No, you're
Okay, no errors.
not. You're not joining.
Get back in your world.
What
No.
the heck?
Get back in your world before
I
I make
see.
your internet go timeout. I don't even think I have your internet.
I'm gonna mute myself again. Hauptsache, du hast die ganzen Tutorials-Sachen auf einen geupdatet, welche aber nicht mehr funktionieren. Ja, es ist halt Mojang. Was soll man dagegen machen? Ne, Microsoft, sorry. Microsoft. So, ja. Okay, energy level, energy state. There we go. This should work. Yes, it's transferring some kind of energy into here, but does it really update? Nope. So it's weird. So basically, what the problem right now is that it will not transfer. It will not run this operation, I think. Or is it this? Let's throw in the debugger. I need to focus. Okay, so let's pick all of those up. Oh, I can't pick it up. Slash kill Letty. Oh. I killed him! I killed him! Test. Yeah. There you go. Okay, so apparently, if I have a cell or if I have a generator that generates, it will. Yeah, let me. Who could have thought? Okay, let's get the energy of this one up a bit. Generator which generates. Why is he going back to survival though? Okay, so let's just set the time to night. Because then the generator doesn't produce anything, right? So then we can bind. Something is wrong. Failed to call function set dynamic property. Oh no. What is this supposed? Wait, huh? About bind. Yeah, they it generates at 10%. Okay, if I need to do that, if the thingy is unbind, if bound or if not bound entity, if not bound entity, it will just set the entity that set dynamic property binding to null. I mean, it has to be a string. I'm just gonna do null as a string. It doesn't matter what it is, it's just anything that is not a coordinate will make this one work. But okay. Okay. Can't convert to object at check for binding at 6. Oh, I see. Maybe like this. That's more like it. Okay, so wait, I have to get into with enemies in a call. just so he can. The enemies. There, boop. So, the enemies, you're here? Wait, it charges! What? Okay, but it charges wrong.
Hello, Dixon. I'm here.
It charges until a certain point, but then it just...
It's mine is at 3.
Okay, so I know why. It...
Go away.
What?
This is mine.
No, I wanna see, okay? I know why
No.
this doesn't work.
Go away.
Can you stop distracting me? Thank you. So the thing is, it's this thingy, or no, it's this one. So if the current is bigger or equal than the transfer rate, so this one. Okay. Is it not? What is the current? Current is 0, right. I think I have to reverse this. So if the transfer rate is bigger or equal to the current... No, it's just bigger. No, but then this doesn't make sense. And this will just go into the negative. Okay, so if the transfer rate, which is 2 in this case, is bigger than the current energy, then we'll set the bound energy to bound. I think it's. And then the bound energy, which is 11 point, plus the current, which is okay. Let's try this. Okay, can you stop hacking, please?
What? I'm not hacking. What do you mean?
Please. Oh, wait. Or was it just? Okay.
It was 0 TPS.
Okay. You're in luck. 11. It's still 11. Why is it still 11? No.
Oh yeah, on your screen it looks like I'm hacking.
Okay, let's see why it doesn't. Okay, so the transfer rate is bigger than the current, which is 0. Why is the current 0 though? Maybe it's doing the operation, but it can't because the current is 0. Let's wait another tick, because on the next tick the current should be 0.1, which is not the case. Why is that not the case? Oh, it needs to update the current. It needs to get the updated version of the current. I wonder if I can do this. Yeah, I can overwrite the current. Like, because this is in a different scope, I can use the... Or can I? Yeah, see? I can overwrite it basically, so yeah. Did it do current plus equal? Nope, I didn't. Good. So we should be fine now. Wait, did I... No, it's not paused. It's working! It's working!
A lot of decimal points. That's one
Yeah,
thing.
I need to remove them. You're right. Problem. Yes, I have a problem with that. Even though I do 2 fixed 0. 2 fixed
Bro.
2. Powers flowed of this. So this should only... Let me reload. Can we kill it all, please?
Okay, fine.
Kill at E, sorry. Okay. Please don't have any decimal points. 2, 4, 8. That's not good. Or did it have energy in it?
Oh wait, maybe I. Wait,
No,
what if
the
I?
energy is nan. Stop. No. You broke the sign. So the
a-
energy increments by 2 because this energy is nan for some reason.
But why does it increment by 2 then? How does that make sense?
Wait, the pass float takes in a string.
I have a question. Can you place like 10 of these solar uh thingies and then
Yes.
bind them
To 1.
to one?
Yes.
Let's go.
Well,
You can have hundreds of them.
yeah, but for some reason pass float isn't pausing my float
What?
because I take the number constructor of
Do the good old math.round.
powers.
Like the good
That's
old
stupid
days.
because I'm using decimal points.
You look like a decimal point.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Can we pick it up and then place it again and then?
Oh, please,
Set
no,
of
my
energies.
child.
Okay,
Pick up. I picked it up.
okay, place it, and then.
I did.
Okay, let it charge for a bit and then connect it.
Oh, well, I already
okay.
connected it.
Okay, so yeah, okay. Now we need to fix the decimal points for a small energy cube, no?
Small magic cube.
I need to know why it's doing the decimal point thingies though.
Oh, you're debugging.
You can notice that?
Well, I tried to place an entity and it didn't place, so
Yeah.
yeah, I can notice that.
I need to see which variables are like decimal points so I can debug them. Okay, the current is the decimal point thingy, so the current is buggy. And because the current is buggy, it will make everything else buggy. Which is weird, you know? Because the current, or the energy state, that would mean that the energy is like weird.
And you're debugging again. Okay.
So it's 0.4. How can this?
Well, after multiplying a lot, like 20 times, it turns into that monstrosity.
So it's saying that 0.4 times efficiency, which is 10, divided by 100.
Yeah, it will just create decimal points, and it will create more decimal points and more.
Okay, how can I the object that generates, how can I make efficiency? Look, normally this machine produces 1, right? 1 energy current,
Per second?
I guess, yeah. How can I make this 1 depending on the percentage that you currently have?
Holy crap.
So I have, right now I have the efficiency, right? Which is
Right.
10 because it's early in the morning. Then I divide that by 100, so I have 0.1. So it's 1 times 0.1.
Yeah,
0.1.
why do you divide that by 100?
What should I do? In
Not divide it.
This is the percentage, right?
I guess you can.
So
Say that.
I can just divide this by the efficiency. Can I? So 1, 10. Oh no, sorry, 1, 10. But no, because if it's 100, then it's gonna be 0.01.
No, it's gonna be 0.1, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, 0.01.
One. No, 0.1.
If you divide it by 100. 1 divided by 100.
No, 10 divided by
Yeah,
100.
of course, that's 0.1.
Yeah. That's 0.01, yeah.
I think this is right, you know why? Because the energy turns out to be just 2 decimal points.
Yay.
But, for some reason, I don't know from where those decimal points come from. So, let's debug a bit more.
Wait. Can you hover over the efficiency?
What?
Can you hover over
The efficiency is currently 10, okay? The efficiency is
Okay, and object generates. What's that?
1. That means...
So it's 1 times 0.1, which
Yes.
is 0.1.
Yes, it even
Right.
says here, generates 0.1.
Uh-huh.
So why does it...
And where does that number go?
You mean
It
the...
just adds?
Yeah. It will set the dynamic property because it's taking the current plus and then the generates.
That does make sense. Where do those decimal points come from then? If you just add,
Exactly.
if you don't multiply.
Exactly. So that's what I was asking.
Well, there are still a billion decimal points. That's one thing.
Yeah, so current. I mean console dot warn current. Let's warn the current so we know what's happening to it, okay? So wait, why is it console warning 2 things? Because do we have 2 solar panels? Yes, we do.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna pick this one up.
We have 0. Can you remove the... Yeah, let's make a new solar panel that is not bind to anything, okay? Okay,
Solar panel.
0, 0.11. What? Look at this.
Well, I don't see it, so I have to open your stream. Is it 0, 0, 0, 0,
It's
0?
not actually adding 0.1 to it, it's... What?
Okay, wait, let's do the calculations. If maybe we did it wrong. Okay, can you go to your code and let's just do the math. Okay, so the current is 1, I'm assuming.
Yep, wait, I do const generates equal to... Heyo.
And
heyo.
what's const generate?
It's just gonna be what the thingy will generate.
Uh-huh.
So this. So we have current plus generates. Reload. Right.
No, sure. I'm just gonna... I'm gonna take a screenshot and I'm gonna do the calculations. Okay, thank you.
Or do you think it's because of floating point math?
I will be able to tell you soon. Okay, so object generates is how much?
No,
It's
it's
zero-
because of it's because of floating point math. You know, if you add 0.1 and 0.2 together, it generates 0.330000004, and that's why. Look, if I console log the energy, the total energy, right? It should give me like some obscure amount.
It's supposed to return 1.
It's not.
Yeah,
See
but
the
it's
decimal
supposed to.
points?
Yeah.
I think it's because of floating point math, and there's a weird way to fix it. So basically, you take the you do parse float, right?
Right.
The parse float of the of the number.
Right, and put a comma.
No, dot to fixed, so it only
Oh, okay.
has 2 digits.
Oh,
And there we go.
you only need 1 digit. Because the other 4 are
yeah,
just
but
zeros.
I'm gonna make probably thingies that produce other things. We kinda
Okay.
need to remove this thingy, don't we? Pick it up. Place a new
Fine.
one.
I'm gonna place a new one. No, I want to place a new one.
Never mind, it's exiting the function because pass float is not a thing, or is it? It generates, Look, the energy is perfect.
Now
Yeah,
bound
bind
it.
No. I think
Why
that's
doesn't it just do the thing?
because we need to do the same thing for this,
Then
for the
do it.
bottom parts. I think. Let's console one energy. Consulted one energy. And this should be a flat amount. 0.1. There we go. But this is not the only. This is not the only recursion where we do this, because should I make a function that
No, it still does the decimal point.
I know. Wait, I'm not done yet. Function. I call this function
Boopy.
des. Wait. Precision fix. Precision precision fix. Okay. So what this will do, it will take a number
And
then
divide it by 100.
Nope.
Ah.
Why do you think that? No. And it's gonna do parse, or it's gonna return the parse float of the number dot to fixed 2. And actually, since this is like this, we can do this. If we do const permission fix is equal to the number,
Hello.
and then I have to, yeah, don't believe me. Anyways, precision fix of current plus generates, like this, and then I need to do this for every single one of those. So precision fix for this. Const energy is equal to precision fix. Oh. Then I can do this again. Energy is equal to precision fix. But this time it's bound energy plus the current energy. And then we just increment it by the bound energy. And then again,
So much energy. I'm unstoppable.
position fix for energy is gonna be this. I wonder if this also impacts the, how's it called, minus. You know, if you we will see. Oh my god, what are you doing? Does it work though?
Yeah. What do you mean no? Look at the amount.
Look, yeah, but look, it's buggy. It's still
It's not.
sometimes, you see.
Oh, the decimal points, yeah.
Kill all entities. Maybe it's because
No. Ah, no, I worked so hard. Okay, I'm gonna do it again.
or maybe it's because of the precision fix.
Pop, 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 pop.
Maybe it's because of this.
Wait,
If this doesn't work, I have no fucking explanation on why
I
this.
can't hit my entity. I can't hit this thing. The energy cell.
Can you
No,
please?
why did you kill it again?
Yeah, can you please wait while I finish this thing? Thank you. Now do it.
No. I'm sad.
So this generates energy, hopefully. Yep. Bind it.
I did. Nope.
Why?
Now it's even weirder.
I have no explanation for why this. I'm gonna be debugging.
Yay. Oh, you're already debugging. Oh my god, you're fast.
Oh my god. Why is precision fix undefined? Because current is weird. Why is current weird? Why is current weird? Do I need to fix the current? Like precision fix the current? Or does it just don't work?
I have a lot of satellites.
Satellites.
Yeah, those are ground satellites.
Okay, now try it. You're not gonna link all of them. 6. Why? I don't understand it.
Sometimes it's normal.
Okay. I. Precision fix.
You're giving up?
No, not yet.
Good.
I feel like it's just not saving, you know, not saving everything that I do. Like just ignoring everything that I change. Why is
Oh, it was normal for a second. I was like, oh, it works, and then it wasn't.
Can you redo all of this? Nope. Nope. It's okay. Just one, okay, just one. Can't read property too fixed of undefined. Huh?
Oh well.
Just let this one be. Can you stop?
What?
Okay, now let's try it again.
Bind it. That doesn't do anything. I can't even click stats.
Can't read property too fixed of undefined. Like I'm passing undefined to the function, which I'm not. Okay, I'm just gonna undo all of this. Why? Okay. I just don't understand. Well, why? I'm gonna do console once.
Okay.
Like, I'm not dividing or something, it just...
You are. By 100.
Okay, now this energy is weird. Pick up. Reload. 0.1. 0. Yeah, it's 0. It's just 0. Why did it change to 0. Something too much?
I bind it. I binded it.
That 2. But 2 fixed 2. And then just the number of this. So theoretically this should be just a flat number. Yeah, this is a flat number.
I'm gonna bind it now. There.
But why? Okay,
Don't know.
so this one is flat. Okay? Or I'm gonna make the function again. Yes.
probably gonna go to sleep. I don't feel very well.
Shut up, you're staying with me. Until I end the stream.
I am not. I wanted to go to sleep in like 30 minutes, but my brother is not feeling very well, and now I'm not feeling very well.
Ah. Return the number of.
Head headache sucks.
Yep. FFP? Is an ended FFP problem?
Problem.
Okay. Fix floating point. Then just reload. This should be. Can you? Can we remove this? Yes. Okay. Good. No, don't bind it. Don't bind it. Okay.
I banded them.
Yeah. 0.3, 0.4. Okay,
This is
so
fixed.
this floating point thingy works.
Should I bind them?
No, because this one will not work. You will see you can bind it, sure, but you will see it won't work. Yeah. So every time you do plus 0.1 to any number, it will just completely break. That's just... FFP of this monstrosity. Maybe it's because I've overrid some variables, you know, in the last thingy. And the FFP of bound energy plus current energy?
Oh my god, I'm so sexy. What the heck?
Okay.
I'm not even joking, that's the thing. I wish I was.
Bound energy
That'd be
plus
crazy.
transfer rate. Then energy 4 be FFP of current minus transfer rate. Like this, and now I just replace them with this and this. This is just proof of concept, so I will optimize it later for everyone. Hello, John. So, remove every entity, please.
1 second. Ah, I didn't. Okay. Done.
Wait, no, I need to reload script. Please, disappoint me.
Should I place it?
Yeah.
Fixed. Let me bind it. Yes, it's...
it's still cursed.
You wanted it to disappoint us, and it did.
Indeed. Is my debugger not running, or is it just not? There we go. So,
Oh yeah, your debugger is very much on.
yeah. 2.9. Bound entity dot set dynamic property to this. You think that it's the menu that's basically dying on me? You know, that
No.
the actual dynamic property is not wrong, but the menu is just...
No. I don't think that.
Alright, it's just getting the energy state property. So the actual energy is cursed. Floating point precision.
I clutched! Let's go! I did the 360 and I clutched. Oh, I'm happy.
I don't want to be rude, but shut the fuck up.
Okay.
And understand, how can, if this will set the dynamic property to 8.0, will make the dynamic property in the cell thingy, in the charge, really?
What?
Wait, what? There you go. Imposted. So where else do I increment or decrement the numbers? For the energies. This is proper treatment, this is proper treatment, this is proper treatment, this is proper treatment. I'm dying.
Yeah, me too, because headache.
I really hate headaches too. I have migraine and shit.
Migraine sucks.
Yeah. The FFP of this.
Are you gonna stream tomorrow?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know. I have school tomorrow.
It's Sunday
no,
tomorrow.
sorry, I meant on the day after that. And you know, I always do late night streams.
Ah, yeah, I guess.
But
I don't know.
I'll do my best.
Okay, well, good luck with the stream. I'm gonna go to sleep.
No.
I'm sorry, my head is just.
I'm about to fix it.
Yeah, well, good luck.
Okay, I guess bye.
I'm sorry, my head hurts and it's just painful. I just want to go to sleep. And also don't want to ruin my sleep schedule. Because
I guess.
yesterday I went to sleep at 12 a.m. Today I want to also go to sleep earlier so I
Nope,
can wake up properly
It's still not.
for school. Anyways, good luck in the morning. Let me know how it went. Goodbye. Also goodbye to people who are watching.
Do you guys know why this is so cursed? Because I don't. Just gonna undo this. So I'm just gonna do the weird one. So just, you know, take the Yay, it's working. I fucking hate this. So if I bind those, yay, it's showing the energy correctly. What a surprise. I should make like a custom get dynamic property thingy that already takes the number constructor and well does its magic. So I don't have to get dynamic property and then of the entity and the property, and just return entity dot get dynamic property, the property fallback 0, the number constructor of this value dot to fixed 2. So no, this has to be like this. So where else do I use get dynamic property? I use here get dynamic property here. Let's copy get the dynamic property. So here, but of the bound entity. Bound entity. Where else do I get the dynamic property? I think that's it. Is that it? I think that's it. Yeah. I can just get the property of the head entity. Where else? That's it? Good. So I guess now it's fixed. Okay. Not a function. What do you guys think? What is the not a function thingy from here? The two fixed? Like this. Plug in main.js. Invalidation of view. Oh. I see. Prop. Line 3. Okay. Maybe Wait, no, fuck. It's my bad. Because in the energy network thingy, I was trying to get the binding. Oh no, that's my bad. And where else do I get the binding? I don't think. Okay. I guess that's working, is it? It is. Good. So I can remove the console one. There. It's so weird. Why do computers suck at math? Okay. We got the energy cell working. I want to. So this will fill up now with energy, I guess. Which is cool. So if I have multiple, so yeah, those all should be at 0 because they're outputting to the cell. Yeah, let's do the prime time. Time set mid sun time at like 5000. Yeah, pretty much. So this should fill up very fast, like 3 a second. Yeah, it does. Crazy, we have the energy cell. So this works. Although, no, I'm not really sure if it works, because what if this is full? Oh god, okay. Yeah, we also need to do the selection thingy. So let's make a function called function bind, which will just bind with, we call this with the entity, so entity, I guess. Oh, oop. Player, and just remove this inside of here. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Want to reload. So now, if we take another one, blah. Select the general object. Bound object to, yeah, great. Does it actually, is it bounded? Bind? Yeah, it is bind. Good, it's working, guys, it's working. So I will move myself into the live coding channel again, because we're done with the weird part. Also, I'm gonna be gone in like half an hour because I'm gonna be watching Worlds with some friends. League of Legends. Yes, League of Legends. Oh, good, this is working. Although, I'm not really sure if it is, because... Oh. What if... It's full. Now those ones should also fill up. Yes. 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 Success. Also, I kinda want to make it so you can bind a cell with a cell, but that's not possible yet. Do I need to kill it? Nice. Okay, does it still bind? Yeah, it still binds, it just... We can do... it's fine, guys. So, yeah, I want to fix the object thingy because location is obviously an object. So, const x, y, z hit entity dot location. I'm gonna rework this soon, no worries, it just x y and z and then I also wanted to make it that you can deselect stuff by shift right clicking. Indent is not sneaking. Actually, let's not do that. Let's wrap it if entity dot is sneaking. So if the entity is sneaking, it'll just set the entity thingies to undefined and return and say something like unselected or deselected or cleared selection. Cleared selection. Sure. And also, we might as well just do Um. How can I insert something in a specific on a specific index? So item dot set a lore. This requires a lore string, right? So how can I insert or like change a thing at a certain thing? Can I just do this is equal to, oh no, this, which will be undefined, is equal to that checks if the entity is defined or not. So yeah, this removes the most errors. I wonder if shit like this would work. You know, you have an empty array, get the 0th position of the empty array, and set this to Also, did you fix the floating point problem? Yes, and for the user, it looks normal, but on the back, it's not. But you will see. I will show in a second. Yes, and exactly, yes, and container dot set item wonder if this works. I'm just checking. I'm not sure if I entity sneaking goal. It'll just give you the item back instead. Well, let's try if that even works. So I have this, I have this. Perfect. Love it. Yeah, so it's it can't set the lore of an empty array. Oh wait, maybe it can. Wait, so this one is, wait, this one doesn't matter anyways. Wait, set lore doesn't actually overwrite anything, does it? So I do settler generator and then settler cell. Will it still? Like this? Wait, let me try. Load. Because apparently settler doesn't. Generator? Oh, Minecraft doesn't like that. Minecraft did indeed not like that. Yikes. It crashed my game. Such a small mistake crashed my game. So you can't have a nan value or an undefined value here because it will crash your game, is that correct? Oh, thanks I guess. If I directly say that this law position is undefined, will it? Yeah. So, can... And I could... What I could do is... lore.concat and then this. It's a bit weird, but concatenation is basically just adding those two together. Cell, generator. Cool. Bound to generator. Oh yeah. This is the cell bind. X, yeah, we can just copy X, Y, Z. But what do I do for the generator bind? Const X colon X2 equal to player dot generator bind dot location Y colon Y2 Z colon Z2 and just copy this, select X2 2 2 and then it just works. Reload. Yeah. Great. Oh. Actually, it's not that wild. I just forgot to set the lower back. I can't because container did set item play that selected slot with a new item stack. That's just items dot get hello items dot get and then item dot id. Sorry, item dot type id. Thank you. The item dot type id. I will do the same thing here. By the way, I just realized that my thingy that I wrote doesn't really make sense, my concatenation, because if you think about it, after the bound is set, it will clear the lore anyways, so I don't even need to get the lore concatenated, whatever. Because it will display 1 anyways. It's fine though. Reload? No. Let's take a new branch. Selected cell. Oh no. 13. Yep, I know why. Container. Just to save a bit of performance, I'm gonna pass in the container every time instead of getting it again. I'm sacrificing readability for performance again. Boop, boop. Item is notified. And 13. Ah, shit. I'm sacrificing. I think at this point it's just better to pass in the. Yeah. Yeah, no. Const container is equal to. I can just copy this. At least I didn't make it 8 to copy. Just replace entity with player, and that's it. So again, boop, boop. Okay. Selected once, generator, boop, it's gone, boop, cell, boop, it's gone. Crazy, isn't it? And just to see if it works, so this one fills up, you see. If I take this one and bind to this one, it will fill up this one, but not this one anymore. Yep. Wait, why doesn't it say that I selected it? Selected. Okay. For some reason I removed this. Did I generate generator? Yet. Select the generator, selected a cell, bound generator to a cell, yeah. Bound the generator to a cell. Then again, generator. No, this is fine. So, reload. Yep, that looks good. Now I want to make it so when you click on the stats menu, it will say the binding. This is still the energy network, isn't it? Where's the form? Like, There it is. Bound to will it just say object object, or what did I pass in? I wonder what kind of shit I passed to the function in. Just gonna be an bound to, yeah, that's what I thought. JSON dot parse const x y z equal to binding, and just x wait, thank you, almost. There you go. Reload. Bound to also, if it's not bound to anything, it will just throw an arrow. That's why. I wonder, can I do shit like this? Nope, I can't. It'd be funny though. So if binding, it will just I think we have to use tyranny here. You know, like this, and then if binding then we'll just return a string, else it will return nothing. So if the binding exists, it will just bind thing.x why use JSON.parse? I thought the value was already a boolean. That's the thing, the value isn't a boolean, the value is a a string. It's the location of the entity in an object. Oh yeah, wait. Bound to, and since this isn't working, yeah, this is gonna get shit now. Problem. On to x, y, z. Load. Stats. Bound to. There we go. If we place this, it shouldn't say anything. Yeah. See, empty. Bound to. Empty. Actually, we do this. Do you know why? Because now, when we look at this, what the fuck just happened? I think it doesn't like that. Let's not do that. Oh no, I removed the wrong backslash n. I think. Yeah. Okay, no, the other one was better. Like this? Yeah. Okay. Let's just leave it like that. Alright, let's oh, this is so nice. Wow. Okay, I have 13 minutes. Do you guys think that in the 13 minutes I can manage to add a button that gives me my one small battery cell back? For sure. It's not gonna take a while. So, where's the cell? There's the cell. Can I join your world? I don't see a reason why you want to do that, but sure, join my world. I have a copy of it anyways, so just so you know. Menu. Button. Pick up. Me too, but it's boring. Boring. Ah, well, yeah, I guess join. I mean, there's nothing to do here, but I guess you can experiment a bit. If you have me as a friend, I don't know. I think you added me as a friend, so yeah, just join, I guess. Switch. Nope, not there. Switch. Data. Let's not do that. Data dot select. Oh. Oh wait. How can this be accepted? It's not an async function. Huh. Okay. There you go. Data selection. Case 0. And I'm just gonna copy the other code from the energy network. Oh, okay. I forgot to get the entity a name. So items get I wonder, does shit like this work? Like if I do type ID. I wonder if that works. It should. Just entity. Then also we need to add a despawn event to our cell. Entities. Let's just open the solar one. Events. Small cell. Where can I add events? This is those are the components. Events. Spawn. Oh, I also need the component group. I forgot. Component group. There you go. And now, still not here. No! I bricked it. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Because there's a player. There is a player. There's an entity. I need to rejoin the world. And hello, let me in. You're muted. I picked it up, but I did not got my item stack. Okay. Slash give s spawn dest. Let's see. Charger spawn egg, small cell spawn egg. Oh, it's doing that because it's also returning the, what's it called? The dest. So we can just leave this one out. Then just reload. No. We pick it up. I think it has trouble getting the spawn egg. I'm just gonna do the old fashioned.
Hello?
Hello.
Can you hear me
I can hear you now.
now? Okay, my bad.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Wait, what? Why can't I? Small battery cell. Wait, is that the small battery cell? Small cell. Okay, so small underscore cell underscore spawn egg. Small cell spawn egg. Small cell spawn egg. What's the issue?
Is there an amount?
You don't have to specify an amount. Oh, I didn't import item stack. Like, I hate this. Why doesn't it do the auto imports anymore? And then it also needs the items. Yay. Battery, pick up. There we go. It works.
Nice.
Good. It works, guys, it works. So, if I have this. Alright, I finished, if you haven't noticed. So you can take a branch, click here, click there, and now it's bound. And now it will generate energy. And yes, you can bound multiple things to one thing. And tomorrow, I will do something that checks if the entities are... Wait, no, I can't do that today. Can I? Let me see, if I... So basically what I want to do is to check if the entities are too far to have a connection, okay?
Can you just check if the cell is if it's less or more than 10 blocks away from
Yes,
the
that's what I wanted to do.
thing?
Const generator bind equal to play.generator bind cell bind. We could do. Let's not bind. Just remove this. So bind. Can I just? Okay, entities. So, what was the method
Also,
called
you-
to check if they're?
line 115 and line 116.
What is with them? Oh yeah,
Can
no,
you
those need to
play?
be like this because
Uh,
with const I'm referencing something, and with player dot something I'm actually modifying it. That's why.
okay.
Location maybe, and then location dot is near, and then yeah, you can epsilon and the other. Okay, so we'll just check from the cell if the generator is too far away. So if the cellbind dot location dot is near oh yeah, the generator bind location dot location with the epsilon of, well, let's say 5 for the test. I will up it to like 30. Then it will player dot tab player dot fast. I have 1 minute to do this. Player dot tell.
You have to do not, by the way. If not, call bind dot location. You have to do not.
Yep, you're
because
right.
now,
If not, it will say bind too far away with an exclamation mark, and just set the both binds to undefined and return. That's it? Okay, I have not much time left. Let's see, this must be, oh wait too much. Bind too far away, there we go. And now this isn't binded, hopefully? Yes, okay. Nice, guys. Thanks for watching the stream. We made some really good progress, like actually really great progress today. I'm really proud of myself. We're gonna be optimizing on the next day and doing some more additions, making all of this more future-proof, and maybe adding some items, whatever it is. I hope you guys will be there. And yeah, I'm gonna be watching League of Legends World Snow with some friends. So, bye!